A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Y, and Z, Y, and Z. Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, how are you? I'm your course teacher, Mohammad Mansha, and I'll teach you English alphabet. Do you remember how many letters do we have? Yes? 26. Good. 26 letters we have in English alphabet. And last time we have learned 25 letters of English alphabet, starting from A to Y. Now we learn last letter, that is Z. What? Z. And its number is 26. This is last letter of English alphabet. And this letter gives the sound Z. What? Z. For example, zebra, zoo, zip. Any other? Yes? Do you know any other name starting from Z? Zero. Good. And the name of your friend or your name? Zahid. Good. Zubair. Excellent. Now we'll learn how to write this letter Z. For this purpose, we'll use dotted sheet, dotted lines. This worksheet will help you to write Z. This is last letter of English alphabet. It gives the sound like Z, Z. For example, zoo, zebra, zip, zoo, zebra, zip. Now you can trace the letter Z with the help of your index finger 10 times. After that, you can use your pencil to write the letter Z 10 times by joining dotted lines. Good. Now move on to the next block on the same page, number 44 of your book. I'm calling different letters. You can write the letter in the blank portion.